Are you sick of having more than one mop to get the job done? Steam mops are great, but unfortunately, you cannot use them on laminate or hardwood floors. And these things are ridiculously expensive. Well, I got a solution for you. We're going to be unboxing, reviewing, and assembling this Libman Tornado spin mop system. And not only that, I'm going to show you how to get it the cheapest way possible. Now, when I priced this out online, I couldn't believe some of these prices on this mop went over 60 bucks. Well, who says Temu doesn't have brand name? And it's $32.71. And on top of that, you can use my coupon code ACK035973. You're going to get an additional almost 10 bucks off the price of that mop. My 30% coupon code is not just good for the mop, but for your total order that you place with Temu. So if you haven't already downloaded the app, I'll leave all the information in the description box as well as the comment section. So a little bit of advice. Open the box from the end. Save you a little bit of time. So the first piece I'm going to pull out is the bottom handle and the head base. That comes already attached together. And next I'll pull out the top handle, which will screw into the bottom handle. And the final piece is the bucket along with the mop head and the instructions. I got totally enamored with the white fluffy feel of the mop head. Oh, so soft. Here you can see the back side of it. So to assemble it, we just screw in the part. Could be easier, tighten it up, and that part is ready to go. Now you want to place the mop head on the floor with the plastic ring facing up. Align the head base over the plastic ring and tap with your foot on the head base to click the mop into position. This almost looks fun. A little bit of Lysol Clean and Fresh multi-surface cleaner. Now we're getting a little bit under the fill line. So you want to make sure that you never push this lever back to a 45-degree angle. You're just going to put your mop fin into the water and then wring her out. And it's not wet and dry enough to use on a laminate or hardwood floor. I love it. So I'm very happy with my purchase for the Libman Tornado Spin Mop for less than $25. What a bargain. It did a great job on my high traffic areas on all my hard surface floors. I ordered the mop on a Sunday. It was here on a Tuesday. It actually came in one of those boxes from a big box store that starts with W. So don't be afraid to use Temu. I've been using them for a year. Absolutely love them. My coupon code, the link to the mop, will be in the description box as well as the comment section. And if no one's told you today that they love you, Annie Listers loves you so much. You have a father up there that loves you even more. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.
Thanks so much for watching, and you come back real soon. You don't ever visit.